If you run a wholesale business in the UK, the new making tax digital rules are about to make manual data entry a massive compliance risk. Right now, you might be paying someone 30,000 a year just to copy orders from Shopify to your favorite accounting softwares like Sage 50, Zero, or QuickBooks. But human typing means there will be mistakes for sure. And the typo or a mistake on a VAT line isn't just an annoying mistake anymore. It's an audit waiting to happen. Let me show you the architectural fix for this. This is the backend workflow we built for mid-market distributors. I'm going to push a live 1600 wholesale order through it right now. Look at what is happening under just 2 seconds. The system catches the Shopify order, but it doesn't just pass the data blindly, it cleans it up. Wholesale orders have weird numbers like 2.5 kg of flour and things like that. Basics tools will definitely crash when they see that. Our setup formats those decimals perfectly and automatically translates the Shopify tax rate into exact T1 standard VAT code that Sage 50 needs. No human hands touching the keyboard right now. But here is where you actually save real time. Look at the split in the path. The system does see that this is a VIP order over £1,000. Instead of just dumping into your accounting software and making the warehouse wait, it does two things simultaneously. First, it instantly pings your warehouse manager on Slack with the exact pick list so they can start packing the items immediately. At the same time, the clean audit proof data drops right into your Sage 50 ledger or your favorite accounting software. Perfect decimals, perfect text codes, a task that usually takes an admin clerk about 10 minutes of copy pasting data. So it just happened flawlessly while you watch this. If your business is still using humans to manually sync inventory, you are throwing away money and risking your compliance. I built these exact automated setups. Send me a DM. Let's look at your current systems and we can map out a quick sprint to kill your manual entry data for good. Thank you.